Hello, beautiful soul.
I have no idea what I'm supposed to do.
You can just say hello.
Hello.
Like normally.
Okay.
Okay, so we got this video requested by one of our official fans. No, I'm just kidding. One of our friends on
And fellow
Instagram
activists.
and fellow activists for the animals. She just wanted basically some ideas of any kind of
Recipes, dishes.
dishes that you
for the
can
summer.
make in the summer and that are also high in protein.
Yeah, because everyone knows when it's hot, you like to eat watermelon or other melons or fruit in general and vegetables. But of course, that's not really filling. You need something with substance.
Yeah.
Something high in protein. But of course, when it's hot outside, you don't want to cook like a lentil soup or stew.
A one pot
Right.
thing that. Yeah.
So there are some things that you can do, and we just want to show you this. And of course, you can everything that we say, you can manipulate it and make your own version of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
First is a wrap, burrito, whatever you want to call it, but the batter, not the dough, the batter, is made up of red lentils, and I'm going to show you right now. So this is going to be the batter for the wraps. Just 1 cup of red lentils, or half a cup maybe, red lentils, but however much you like to put in the blender, put double the amount of water. So this is half cup of lentils and 1 cup of water. And just to make sure that everything sticks together, I added, I don't know, a tablespoon of flax seeds. And as you can see behind the blender, I did this one like 2 weeks ago and forgot to put the lid on, and this is the end result. So make sure to put the lid on the blender when you blend everything together. Of course, you can add any spices that you like. I think I'm gonna add some maybe paprika powder, turmeric, maybe a little bit of cumin or date sugar to make it a little bit sweet, but that's totally up to you. So let's do this. I forgot to mention, I soaked everything in the blender for around 3 or 4 hours. So, like I said, put the lentils in there, the water in there, and let it sit for 3 or 4 hours, and then blend. The pan is on a medium heat, and then what you want to do is you try to spread it out as evenly as possible. And then you're gonna let it cook for, I don't know, 2 minutes or something. And then we try to flip this guy. Try your best.
It shouldn't burn.
There you go. And the first one is always the hardest, you know that. For making pancakes or waffles. The first one always
fucks up.
Yeah, so I'm quite glad this came out. The first one is done. Zack, we're gonna continue with the rest. Lately I have been obsessed and fascinated by sprouts, so we decided to grow them at home, and this couldn't be any simpler. You just take mung bean sprouts, or just regular mung beans. Well, not regular, you have to get them from a place that sells, not certified, but sells them in a quality that is that is controlled for, so you don't have any pesticides or some nasty stuff on there. And then you take these mung beans, put them in a water jar overnight for 8 hours, and then you just sprout them, which you look it up on the internet, it's fucking easy. And then 2 tablespoons equals the amount of this whole, actually that's only half because I ate the other half. It will like expand its volume to the size of this bowl. And the good thing is they are high in protein, super delicious, super healthy, and you don't have to cook them. So when you're in a hurry or on a hot day, you're hungry, just grab some sprouts, and we're gonna fire them in the wraps here as well. You can put them in your salad, or what you can do as well to get your protein in, tofu, tempeh, also things that you don't have to cook for long. Maybe depends on the sauce of your tofu or tempeh. You might want to like heat it up a little bit to decrease the risk of any bacterial contamination. But if you get an organic tempeh, for instance, then that shouldn't be a big issue. So you can easily put those things in salad or in your bread as well. That's the end result. I folded this one kind of like a burrito and the other one's just like a roll. So this is one option what you can eat on hot days, very protein rich because the batter is made of red lentils. Then you can also eat a salad, wait, surprise, but make sure when you're making a salad to put hemp seeds on there. They are high in protein, high in omega-3 fatty acids and some minerals, so great product altogether. Make sure to make a nice dressing.
This one has some chili hummus in it, 1 tablespoon, then 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of almond butter, and some squeeze of lime juice and some vinegar. Yeah.
Of course, another way to eat the salad is to make these salad wraps. I don't know the English word. Chicory. In German it's chicory.
Yeah, I think it's chicory. And we just like made a nice layer of hummus at the bottom as well. And then just added some fresh toppings, some avocado, some grapes, because I love to have like a kind of sweetness in there as well. Cherry tomatoes. We have some sprouts on there too, and some sunflower seeds.
So, to get enough protein, like I said, in the kitchen, when you're not in the mood for cooking, tofu, tempeh, sprouts.
Which you can add in those dishes.
Hummus, baba ganoush, or make a bean spread the day before that you can eat.
With white beans, you can make amazing spreads as well.
Yeah, make
some kind of cheese spreads even with white beans, just by using nutritional yeast and some garlic powder. Yeah, and then when you have a whole grain bread handy, just spread some of your spread on there, maybe some tempeh on top, and that's a nice snack, couple of pieces of fruits, and then you're done. You're quite good set for a nice hot day. Yep. So we wish you lots of fun with these dishes. We hope you experiment with them and maybe send your photos to us. Just let us know, give us your feedback. We would love that. Let us. And yeah, give us some suggestions for future recipes that we can come up with for you.
Yeah.
We'd love that.
And subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the new videos. And we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.